Alright, so we're back with the Detective Pikachu Kit. This is all Pika Loves Cookies things. Hopefully he gets some bangers for his collection. He's very excited to get that plushie. Same one that's back here. I had it and I opened it up. The video is in my link. So let's open this up real quick to see what's inside. Okay, you can open it. It's yours. Alright, so he opened it up. Let's see what's inside. And thankfully, the first thing here, it's the plush. Look at that beautiful, beautiful plush.
Now I have 4 Pikachus.
Show it to the camera right there.
I have 4 Pikachu plushes now.
Alright, so do we take, you want to see what's everything, or do we just open up one by one, whatever comes out?
Can we do the detective one? This one first?
You want the detective, so you want me to pull everything out and then open it up in order? Alright, so let's see. So he got a coin. This is Gyarados. Oh, I never seen Gyarados. That's cool.
Did you get a Gyarados one?
No. That's nice. He got a Gyarados.
It's black.
He has the Detective Pikachu. So because I pulled it out fast, let's open it up right now. Right? Alright. Let's see. We can put our bangers right here. Alright, let's see. There's not a lot of cards in this one. I think there's like 3, 4 cards.
What's the best card in the detective one?
I don't know. I don't even know the order, so let's just do it. I know they're all holographic. We got Jigglypuff.
Magikarp. Morello.
And
Machamp.
Oh, so it is the last card of the thing. Oh, so these are your Detective Pikachu movie cards. So now, going on to the next one. Ooh, we got a Cosmic Eclipse.
Wait, doesn't that one have all the evolutions?
I believe so, or they're missing a couple. But still, it's a good set to have. All right,
it's all
so
rainbow.
code card.
Are those 4 or 3?
1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. All right, so we have
Silo, Gloom, Sangoose, Energy, Gauntlet, Jupiter, Apom, Onyx, Tepig, Litleo, and Entei.
You got an Entei for your rare. Non-holographic, but still, it's a good card. So now, our next pack, another Cosmic Eclipse.
That one's in space this time.
Alright.
Or is the stars? That's still lay on the cover.
Code card. Almost showing the thing right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we have
Larvista, Ends Resolve, Red and Blue, Energy, Azurill, Rufflet, Oddish, Ralts, Sandygast, Swoobat, and Sandlash from the Alolan
that's your
region.
rare.
That one, I saw it in the shop.
And oh, that's it. Nothing else. But don't worry. So that was the Detective Pikachu Kit for his birthday. Those are his cards. He got some bangers. He enjoys his plushie. That's fine. I'm going to open up a Darkness Ablaze pack that I got for my birthday that I haven't opened up, just to see if we can get a Charizard.
I haven't eaten one of those.
Real quick. That's the promo card right there. What is it?
Hatena.
That's pretty. We got the code card right there for you guys. We have a coin. This is all can
I
be.
saw that inside the Alolan region
All this
too.
can be yours. Pika loves cookies because I already opened up one and I have it. So.
But I have one more to go, so you could have it.
Alright. So, we got the code card here. Hopefully we get some bangers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we have
Lunatone, Simisear, Vibrava, Energy, Clink, Marini, Torchic, Starly, Skarmory, Clang,
and our rare is going to be a
Flygon.
non-holographic. Alright. So, no Charizard, but we opened up some packs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Thank you for, the comments below, letting me know what you like, don't like, sharing my content. And, yeah, thank you. We just have fun opening up Pokemon cards for you guys. Anything to say, Pika Loves Cookies?
Okay. The new Fortnite season came today, and also yesterday there was an event about superheroes, and it was cool.
Alright, guys. Thank you again, and hit that subscribe button so you can be up to date with our videos. See ya. Have a nice day. Peace out.